Hunglong Infrared Battle Tank. Close behind, the nation defense, science, education. Let the kids learn about the military development trend. Corresponding nations from playing. Increase the nation defense building of responsibility and mission from childhood. M26 Pershing Heavy Tank. Equipped in the U.S. Army at the end of the Second World War. M4A3 Sherman Medium Tank. The outstanding masterpiece of the American ultimate remote control infrared battle. Parent-child interaction. Wonderful fun. Bright lights exploring the tail of the enemies. 20-meter remote control range. 8-meter battle range. Infrared battle system. Sensitive reaction. Turret 320 degrees rotation. Aim to the target. Carrying 10 shells in each battle game. Each single shell is the key to win. Realistic reaction and sound effects when it's under attack. Total have 4 life value lights. When all lights are off, means to be destroyed. Operating explanation. Switch on the remote controller. Switch on the tank. Press the start button. Start the tank. Pull back the right side joystick. Tank moving backward. Push front moving forward. Left side, turn left. Right side, turn right. Push left side joystick to left. Turret turns left. Push left side joystick to right. Turret turns right. Press the button L on the top left corner. Machine gun starts firing. Press the button B. Tank fire. Press the button L and R at the same time. Tank stimulates the fire effect. Button A. Volume adjustment. XY button for left-right fine adjustment when the tank is not 100% straight backward. Upper buttons of X and Y for left-right fine adjustment when the tank is not 100% straight forward. Being shot by machine guns. Indicator light flashing. Shot by machine gun 5 times. Reduce 1 life value. Shot by 1 shell. Reduce 1 life value. Every tank has 4 life value lights in each battle game. When all life value lights are off, means to be destroyed. Battle game over. Hunglong Hobby. Honorary present.